My experience was amazing. In Italy I am a biologist, so I can really appreciate the effort of the Phillip Island Nature Park crew in protecting the environment and preserving, for example, the main species, which is penguins.
This experience is really, surprised for me, and I think I have learned many things about it, and I think it can be very influential for my future and my blueprint.
We get to know the real rangers and work with them and see how they truly are passionate about their job and how they love their country and the nature. And it's a wonderful experience. I would recommend it to everyone.
So as you can see, a volunteering experience on Phillip Island is a unique way to not only view world-famous Australian wildlife, but also give back and assist our rangers in the conservation efforts that we do here each and every day as a not-for-profit organisation.